Hello guys, welcome back to Mom's Medicine. Today I am making a hair treatment using tangerine cornstarch and 1 tablespoon of lavender oil. Tangerine peel extract isn't just refreshing, it's an antioxidants and vitamin C. It helps stimulate scalp circulation, support collagen production, and promote healthy radiance growth from the root. Cornstarch is excellent for reducing hair loss and promoting growth. It reduces split ends, increases hair volume, and protects hair from damage. Apply this treat for 45 minutes with shower cap before your shampoo.